This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Python 3. 12 or newer is on path and creating a project folder. Once done, open that folder in VS Code and install the official Python extension. Next, create and activate a virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv to isolate dependencies. This prevents global package conflicts. Make sure VS Code selects the venv interpreter in the status bar so linting, IntelliSense, and debugging. Use the correct environment before you add packages or write code. You now write and shape code with intelligent feedback. Select the venv interpreter and enable pylons for fast type info and completions. Install Black, isort, and Flake 8 in your environment so formatting and linting are consistent. Configure format on save to run Black automatically. Once tests exist, install PyTest and add a test configuration, then create or update launch. JSON so breakpoints run with the proper env. This ensures reproducible formatting, early error detection, and smooth step-through debugging. You finalize the workflow by exporting requirements, TXT or using piproject. TOML to lock dependencies. Commit these files so environments replicate. Use the integrated terminal for pip installs and the remote or code spaces features when working on remote machines. For debugging, run with the selected interpreter and confirm terminal activates. Venv automatically. If something fails, first verify VS Code's selected interpreter. Ensure the virtual environment is activated, and then read the Python extension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.